Introducing the One and Done Repair Flange. The problem: a damaged toilet flange. Over-tightening the toilet can crack the flange. Leaking seals can rust metal flanges. Wet subfloors create toilet movement that causes future leaks. Extensions and repair flanges can leak and allow sewer gas to escape. The perfect solution is the OND 400 Repair Flange. It eliminates a rocking toilet, and there is no need for closet collar flange extensions. It's the only flange repair that seals above and below the flange with one product, and the only repair that comes with everything needed to repair the flange. No wrench or hacksaw needed. It also includes caps and bolts. The One and Done Repair Flange is easy to install. A Phillips screwdriver and tape measure are the only tools required. Remove the screws from the damaged flange. Insert the provided bolts and secure to the repair flange with the patented lock nuts. Center the bolts over the flange using a tape measure. Screw down the flange through the closet collar into the subfloor. Set the toilet over the bolts and thread the retaining nuts snugly to the base. Then hand tighten 1/2 turn. Cut the bolts flush to the top of the retaining nuts with the diamond saw. Finally, place caps over the retaining nuts and secure with a 1/4 turn. The One and Done is the perfect flange repair solution.